I'm going to go for a little paddle today. This thing's been chained up for 2 or 3 months. I've done a little bit of inspection on it, made sure it's not going to go anywhere, and someone's been fiddling with the rope up there, but the chain wasn't taken off, so I'm good. Got my storage compartment in here. I've got a blister on my hand, ignore that. Phone, Birkenstocks, towel, rashi. Alright, let's see how this goes. Watson's Bay Baths in front. That's the ferry there. Once he's gone, I'll cross over. This ferry's taking its time. Now they're putting people on there. It took so long to get them all off. Water's nice. Captain Cook's gone. So this will be a double win, because once they get all these people in the air, it'll be like 20-30 seconds, and then I'll be taking off, then I can move. There's the city. The water's so silky. See if we can catch some wake here. Oh yeah. Over there's a thing. It's like a look. I thought it was an eagle doing touch and go, or seagull, but it's actually like a fake black bird, and then it's on a reel, and that, see, it catches the wind, and then it just gets a bit of air, and that keeps the seagulls off your boat and stops them shitting on your boat. Genius. On this little point here now, let's see what's around the corner. Just recorded my groin for 2 minutes. There you go. Cove. That's Jump Rock there. It's probably, well, there's a few called Jump Rock. That one's about, I don't know, 14 meters. I haven't had the guts to go off it yet. My kids have though. Oh, and there is Camp Cove. I'm just going to do a little report here, and then I'll have a swim. Paddling in. Oh, it's coming in the side there. Oh, the tide's getting in here, you can feel it. Pelicans. Okay, that's the pier. I've got to time this so we don't cop any ferries, but the two just left, so we should be good. Nice. I'm going to get back to Gibsons and go for a swim. What a beautiful day. Alright.